Hello everyone. Uh, Now we are going to start our next point is factor affecting motor development of children. Right? Factor affecting motor development of children. कौन कौन से ऐसे फैक्टर्स हैं जो बच्चों के मोटर मैकेनिज्म मोटर फैक्टर्स को इफ़ेक्ट करते हैं? राइट? सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट है इनहेरिटेड एंड बायोलॉजिकल फैक्टर्स। ये जो पॉइंट वन है, दिस इज़ द इनहेरिटेटिंग हेरिटेंस एंड बायोलॉजिकल फैक्टर। इट मीन्स कि जो बच्चों को बाय बर्थ दे ब्रॉट दे बाय बर्थ दे ब्रॉट जीन्स फ्रॉम देयर पेरेंट्स, राइट? कि भी जो उनके बच्चों को उनके पेरेंट्स से मिलते हैं, इनहेरिटेड एंड बायोलॉजिकल फैक्टर्स। The motor development and capability of the child depend largely on those genes inherited influence that they receive from their parents only. This factor affect the body, weight, size, strength, etc. to a great extent, right? Then second is environmental factor. ये बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट और बहुत ही इफ़ेक्टिव है। ये जो इन्वायरमेंटल फैक्टर है ना, दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। फैमिली, इन्वायरमेंट एंड सोशल फैक्टर इफेक्ट द मोटर डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द चाइल्ड सच एज प्रॉपर इनकन्वीनियंस, लव एंड सेंस ऑफ सेंस सिक्योरिटी टू टेक रिस्क, climate and environment help children to gain more information. This improve the sensory development of the infant, which is essential for speed development. Then third point is nutrition. न्यूट्रिशन, आज की डेट में हम लोग इस पॉइंट से बहुत ही पीछे हैं। न्यूट्रिशन, द sensitivity of any person depend on nutrition, so nutrition diet is essential for motor development. Nutrition diet strengthen the child, they do not get sick and they develop dramatically, while children who do not get proper nutrition diet, their motor development is very slow. Then physical activity, then opportunity, then physical challenge. ये physical activity, this nowadays children are very weak in this area. Nowadays children very weak in this area. Physical activity, regular physical activity also help to rapid motor development in children. These activities should be as per physical fitness of the children. Those children who do not have regular physical activity in accordance with their physical ability, their motor development slow and down. आज क्या चाहिए बच्चों को? स्कूटी चाहिए, हर काम के लिए स्कूटी चाहिए, हर काम के लिए कंफर्ट चाहिए, रिमोट कंट्रोल है, मोबाइल है, दे आर नॉट डूइंग एनी फिजिकल एक्टिविटी. देन फिफ्थ पॉइंट इज अपॉर्चुनिटी होने के बावजूद भी हम लोग इस चीज़ को ग्रैब नहीं करते. सेंसिटिव मोटर डेवलपमेंट of children who receive motor opportunity for physical activity is also better. The motor development of children is also better due to best and better sensory motor development. If the children are not provide appropriate opportunity, then the rate of motor development can be slow. Therefore, children should be given sports opportunity in school, home and neighbors. Then physical challenge. बहुत पहले क्या होता था, हर जगह मैनुअल काम होता था. अर्ली एज में व्हेन वी आर स्टडिंग, हमारे पास एवरीथिंग इज़ मैनुअल. आज क्या है? आज सब कुछ रिमोट कंट्रोल है, एवरीथिंग इन योर हेड. गैजेट्स आ गए. ड्यू टू दैट गैजेट्स वी आर लैकिंग बिहाइंड. वी आर नॉट एबल टू डू, वी आर नॉट लव टू डू एक्टिविटी. फिजिकल चैलेंज, इट इज़ इफ़ अ चाइल्ड had slight and hearing impairment, then the rate of motor development of such child is slower than normal child. That is normal. If there is no sensory impairment in children, then there is development will be better. Then posture deformities. आज posture for deformities हो गई, इतना हो गया. सिटिंग posture नहीं है, स्टैंडिंग posture नहीं है, ड्यू टू clothing due to fashion or all that. Posture deformities. If a child has no posture deformities such as curved spinal cord, flat feet, knock knees, and bow leg, then the development of such child would be inhibited. देन ओबिसिटी. आज आज ये जो ओबिसिटी है ये हर बच्चे में पाया जाता है. हर बच्चा ओबीज होता जा रहा है. क्यों? क्योंकि दे आर नॉट डूइंग दिस, दे आर नॉट डूइंग फिजिकल एक्टिविटी, दे आर नॉट ग्रैबिंग अपॉर्चुनिटी. It is often that children with more body weight or small children do not take more intense in motor development activity, due to which their motor development is very slow. Right? Then the next topic is exercise guideline for different stage of growth. एक्सरसाइज गाइडलाइन कौन कौन सी बच्चे को कौन कौन सी एज में एक्सरसाइज रिक्वायरमेंट है. ग्रोथ मीन्स इंक्रीज, ग्रोथ मीन्स इंक्रीज इन हाइट, increase in height, weight, width and of the person. Extent structure of growth can be measured. However, the particular stage of growth also stop. The understand human growth scientists have divided into following stage: in infancy, early age, later childhood, adolescence, adult and old age. These infancy 1 to 3 years, early childhood 4 to 8 years, later childhood 9 to 12 years, adolescence 13 to 19, adulthood 19 to 60 years, the old age is 60. These are the stages of growth. In the stage of growth, to keep physical fit, there are some exercises which can be beneficial for the growth of development of the child. In the stage of growth, following are the suggestive exercise. Infancy, ये दिस इज़ द इन्फेंसी. छोटा सा बच्चा जो होता है, बिल्कुल न्यू बॉर्न बेबी, दैट इज इन्फेंसी. इन्फेंसी in this stage 1 to 3 year, in which the infant develop control on head, sit and walk on knee. In this stage, height and weight of infants rapidly increase. In this stage, the bones of the body are very soft. Light exercise should be given to them. They should exercise to move hand and legs. Exercise should be given to reach at some object. Activity like walking, running, jumping, catching, throwing and other coordinative ability should be given. If children are trained for games like gymnastics, swimming, tennis or at this age, then they can definitely better player in future. Then आता है early childhood. This is early childhood. Early childhood, that is 4 to 8 years. Exercise to develop movement skill. Emphasize on participation, not competition. Exercise related to be fine motor development. Moderate exercise for the least 1 hour. Physical activity by entertained and pleasant method. Exercise in safe environment. Organize. These are the few points which are definitely help to grow. Then third stage is childhood in 8 to 12 years. This is childhood 8 to 12 years. This is a very charming age, you can say. In this condition, legs up of the beginner of maturity. In this stage, there are many changes in the child. They following exercise beneficial for the condition. All children should have physical exercise with moderate intensity during childhood every day. Must have at least 3 days in a week to provide sports exercise and strengthen muscles and bones, such as rope jumping, gymnastics, and tennis and badminton. Then, the child should be engaged in physical activity rather than spending time sitting on the target time. Children should run fast, should play football, jogging, running, etc. etc. Swimming may be very beneficial. Swimming may be very beneficial for this stage. This type of exercise increase the heart and respiratory capacity. Their body weight control and chance of getting sick are less. Right? Then adolescence 13 से 19 adolescence दिस 13 से 19 इसमें तो you can say na student feel like I am the king, I am the queen, I am so beautiful, I am मैंने जो कह दिया that is fine, that is fine. This is a very dangerous, you can say na, it is a very dangerous even age. Adolescence age is a stage of intense physical growth. In this stage, which all teenagers, especially the girls, try to show themselves physically attractive, it is called teenage, right? Aerobic exercise. This activity should be given at least 3 days for 60 minutes. This activity should be from moderate to high level risk, like then average strength and exercise, fast walking, cycling, climbing, cleaning house, playing basketball, baseball, or etc. etc. This is teenagers. Vigorous strength and exercise, active sports like running, football, jumper rope, cycling, martial art, karate, sports, tennis, hockey, football, swimming, etc. etc. They can play this game. Exercise for strengthen muscles. During this teenage, the daily routine of teenagers are very busy. Therefore, they should do such exercises which make muscles able to move more without fatigue. Such cross country race, work with loads, exercise with weight, exercise with weighing machine, wall climbing, etc. etc. Then exercise of strengthen bones, जो हड्डियों को मजबूत करने के लिए एक्सरसाइज. Adolescents must should do such exercise at least 3 days in a week, which should strengthen their bones, such as skipping rope, jumping, running, gymnastics, and tennis. Then beneficial of regular exercise: strengthen the cardiovascular system, strengthen the muscular increase, help to reduce stress. This is very important. Help to reduce strength. Then fifth point is adulthood, when we are going 19 to 40 years age. Adulthood should always be active, and in addition of sleeping, at least 5 days of moderate thrust activities such as jogging and cycling should be done from 1 to 1.5 hour daily in a week. In addition, the moderate intensity activity to be physically strong for about 1 hour. They should be active with vigorous intensity such as running, football, and swimming, etc. etc. These activities should be done only by mixing it with the moderate strength. To increase muscle strength, 2 week moderate intensities activity should be done. Apart from this doing weight also strengthen exercise. Benefit of exercise in adulthood: regular exercise reduce risk of disease such as obesity, hypertension, heart disease, and diabetes. The appropriate body weight remain. Daily task can be done without fatigue. Self-esteem increase. Stay from depression. Right? Stay from depression.